Hello friends, today in this video we are gonna learn about strings in Python. So string is the most commonly used data type of any programming language. In programming, to work with any kind of text data, we have to use strings. So what a string actually is? Strings are arrays of bytes representing Unicode characters. In easier terms, strings are array of characters. Now Python does not actually have a character data type. A single character is simply a string with a length of 1. If we consider this string, now this is a variable x in which we have assigned a string abc. Now this string abc is nothing but a sequence of characters where a is a character, b is a character and c is a character. So abc becomes a string that is a sequence of characters. So let's flip to Jupyter Notebook and let's see how we can declare and use string variables. Okay, for a variable to become a string, the sequence of characters have to be enclosed either in single quotes or double quotes or even triple quotes. So let's see how we can declare a string. Let's declare the variable str1 and assign a string to it like this. So let's print this string str1 and let's run the cell. So we have declared a string and assigned the value Python to it and we have printed the string. Now you can declare a string even by enclosing the sequence of characters or the string literal inside single quote or even triple quotes. So let's see that. str1 equal to, or let's take a different variable name, str2 equal to Python, that is we are enclosing the string literal in a single quote. Again we take another variable name and try to enclose it within triple quotes. Okay, so now let's print both of the variables. Now let's print both of the variables str2 and str3. Let's run this cell. So both of these variables work fine and print Python. Through these two examples, we have seen how we can declare strings. Now, as strings are meant for dealing with text data, we can also have multiline strings, right? So now with this example, let's see how we can declare multiline strings. So declare multiline strings, we have to use either triple single quotes or triple double quotes. So let's see that in action. Let's declare a variable str4 and let's try to assign a multiline string to it. Let the string be I know Python, comma I know C sharp. Let this string be assigned to the variable str4. Okay, now let's try to print the variable str4. Let's run this and we get this multiline string printed which says I know Python, I know C sharp. So that is our expected output. Now let's try to do the same thing with triple double quotes. Let's use double quotes here and let's again try to print, let it be variable str5 and let's try to print this variable str5 and we also here also we get the expected output, that is a multi-line string. I know Python, I know C sharp. Okay, let's move on to the next slide and let's see what it says. Accessing character in a string. In Python, individual characters of a string can be accessed by using indexing. Index always starts from 0, that is the index of the first character in a string is 0, index of second character is 1, third character is 2, and so on. Let's move to Jupyter notebook and let's see the example of that. Okay, so here let's look at our previous examples. str1 equal to Python. So here we have total 6 character, right? Python. So each of these characters have an index and the index starts at 0. So the index of the character P is 0. The index of the character Y is 1. For T it is 2. For H 3. For 0. For O it is 4, and for N it is 5. So we can use these indexes to access these individual characters from this variable str1. So let's try to do that. Let's try to extract this character P from this string str1 and let's try to print the same. To do that, what we can do, we can use the index 0. As the index of the character P is 0, here we'll use str10. str10, as the name of the variable is str1, and let's see what it prints. So as expected, it prints P. So likewise, we can access all the other characters in the same way. Let's print the character at index 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's print all of them. Okay, and also let's print 5 as well. Okay, so we print all the characters one by one. Okay, so in this video we have learned what Python strings are, how we can declare a string, how we can declare a single line or multi-line string, and how we can access the individual characters of a string using indexes. So friends, that's it for this video. In the next video, we are gonna see how we can use negative index to access characters from a string. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I will upload more Python and data science related videos. And please don't forget to like and share my video so that it reaches a larger audience and they also get benefited from it. Thanks a lot for watching.